Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set date method. So what it does is it will set the date in the the date object relative to the beginning of the currently set month. So what we need to do is create a var called event. You can name anything you want. Oh, it's event, not init. After that, what we need to do is use the new operator, and then use the date constructor and pass a date, AUGEST, August, and 19 comma 1975. No, it's not 1975. It's just for reference. And 20 I'm using 11 em, the 23, and pass 15 30 seconds. And when we're done with that, what we're gonna do is use the event and use the set date method and pass 24. And when you're done with that, event dot get date, it's go hand in hand with set date for getting the date. So when we do that, use that function, it's gonna say the date, so 24. So this is what it does. So if you want to change the date from like here on the JavaScript file, so what we need to do is use the set date method to change the dates, or you can say edit the days. It's more specific. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.